Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Employee Wages. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with blackboards, engage my IT lab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment. Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Employee Wages. There are total 13 questions of this assignment. Let me zoom this. Here is a project description. You can also read it out carefully for better understanding of this assignment project. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Wages. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download the Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML2 Wages file from my IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from my IT Lab dashboard. Here is a file I have already downloaded. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is create range names based on the values in the range I10 to I11. Basically, in this question, you will have to create the range name based on the values that are in the range I10 to I11. Move to the workbook. Select this range. Copy this. In this dialog box, select this range. Press enter. The ranges are selected. Now you will have to select these range names, then go to the formula tab, then click on the create from selection, select the left column, okay, then press ok. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is edit the range name gross earnings so it displays as gross. In this question, you will have to change the range name from gross earning to gross. Copy this, gross. Then you will click on the name manager, gross earning, click on edit button. You will have to only display gross. Remove this earning, then gross, then click OK and close this. Move to the instruction file. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is apply the gross and total wages paid range names to the formula in cell I12 using the apply range name method. Move to the workbook and I12, this one. Instead of this cell name, you will have to display the range names for cell I10 and I11. Equals to, click on this I10, the gross are displayed, then click minus, then this total wages paid, this one, then press enter. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is load the solver add-ins. If it is not available, set the objective cell to min total wages paid cell F13. In this question, you will have to use the solver tab and then set the minimum total wages paid cell in cell F13. Then move to the workbook. Then go to the data tab. Then click on this solver. Then you will go to the analyze group section. Then click on solver. In this solver, set the objective cell. Set the objective cell to min total wages paid. So to select this min and the cell F13, this one. This one is F13. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is that assign OR's worked range E5 to E12 as the changing variable cells. Basically in this question you will have to change the variable names E5 to E12. This one. Go to the workbook. By changing the variable cell you will have to write E5 to E12, E5 to select this range E5 to E12, this one, by changing variable cells. Question number 6 are completed. We have now completed 6 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Word, MyLab Stats, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.